Hello there. I just want to quickly show you a little tour into the Align Therapist operating system platform. You can see right there, that is the app version. It could work on your desktop, it could work on your laptop, it could work on your browser, but this particular one is on my iPhone. So that's the Align app right there. You tap it and it gets into the dashboard. Now, depending on your functionality, what you're going to be looking at will be different from person to person. Now, I'm going to tap the dashboard menu. You could see we have the admin dashboard. You might not have that because you're not part of the admin team. Then we have your dashboard as a therapist or a coach. We'll start from the dashboard, therapy dashboard menu. So right here you see your new client referrals. So if you're on the essentials, you might want to upgrade to professional, depending on your functionality. So that is where that is there. Now, for professionals, you have the full features. So new referral client referrals will be populated there as more referrals come through. As a professional, you may apply for our referral partnership, which is an added bonus for being a professional subscriber. And as referrals are channeled to you, by the way, you have to go through the vetting process, after which you are accepted. Then after that, you are able to get some referrals based on the matching process. Now they will come through like that so that you don't miss. So you can accept or decline depending on the profile of the clients that you're going to read right there. So they will all come through. At the moment, it says clients recently matched to you and awaiting action, awaiting your declination or your acceptance. Then you can see no client referral to display at the moment. Then today's appointment or your appointments you've scheduled in the Align platform will be populated there for today. Upcoming ones will be populated there. Upcoming appointments at the moment, no upcoming appointment yet. Then this is where it gets interesting. Recent clients. Prior to today's demo, I've quickly logged in some clients, just a test. So all your recent clients will be shown here. I've got Joseph, I've got Alice Smith, Joanna, Daniel. Then if you scroll down, you see recent sessions. So you can see for Joseph, I've had 4 different sessions with Joseph. And if you look at this, you realize that you now have other quick actions. Add new clients. Maybe a client that you get through your own source. It doesn't have to come through a line. You add them first. That's the first place to start so that they are in the system. Then you have the menu for if you view my clients there. You can also find it here. My clients. That's the my clients menu right there. Now, view my clients. That's the shortcut. Then book appointments. Once you've added new clients, you can now book appointment for them, but I will show you a more intuitive way to also do that. If you want to navigate how to use Align, you can click start here. That's some information to help you start well. There's some training resources there, contact support, some feedback if there's anything you want us to look at. Maybe something's not working or you want to tell us how wonderful the app is, please use that particular button. Now let me show you for recent clients. So let's just tap Joseph. It goes into the Joseph profile. Okay. Now this is a fake Joseph. Okay. So client profile, depending on a whole bunch of information you've imputed when you are adding Joseph. You're going to see that I've only done 3, but they are fake, just to test the app. Now, this is the inside of Joseph's workspace, where you actually look at Joseph's profile. If you now want to start a new session, you can start a new session for the client there. So if you tap start a new session for this client, because I've already registered Joseph as a new client. So that is why we now click Joseph. Inside the Joseph detail screen, that is where you start a new session for Joseph. So start a new session. If you tap that, you can see it's automatically recognized Joseph because you're doing it from inside Joseph's detail screen. So it's recognizes email. Then you just have to put the date, presenting issues, what you want, what you're working on today, symptoms, severity, duration, how long divided for, triggers, session focus. Then you can now type in what you want to focus on. For example, it could just be like initial consultation, or it could just be the first session focusing on safety or stabilization, something like that. So therapy session notes, this is where you now add your notes. So what we encourage therapists to do is that after the session, there's a way you could add more notes. I'm going to show you where you can edit the notes, because at the end of the session, you have more information. You can either type it, or you could actually speak it to the voice to notes recording, which is fantastic. You realize that we have people with people who are neurodiverse. They prefer to speak out clinical notes than type it, which is faster. So once it's submit, it's going to submit that. So this is the clinical notes of this particular session, Joseph. I've not filled that in yet, but I've already done a whole bunch of them here. As you can see, clinical history of Joseph. So you see the clinical history of Joseph right there. If I click this one, once you click this one, you now see a line. Now start to help you out. We've spent years upon years to correlate the MindBody breakthrough archives, recovery models, MindBody breakthrough thinking, and a whole bunch of information we've gathered in the last 15 years to be able to use it in the back end of a line to train the AI capability to be able to supply to you based on the client's clinical notes and the form you've just filled. And you realize that when I click Joseph, this is Therapist Workspace. This is where you do most of the clinical workspace. You can see a line is already summarized based on MindBody breakthrough thinking, if you like, while it's thinking. It's just as if I'm supporting you throughout that process, just to assist. But you use this information to be able to make clinical decision. I'm not helping you to make that decision. I'm just supporting. Actually, this came as a result of many people asking, Walé, I wish I could just ask you a question anytime I have a session. There you go. You've got this. So that's a short summary of what is going on in Joseph's life. Now, if you're on a pro tier, which is professional, aligned professional, MBB, MindBody Breakthrough Clinical Summary. So this is more detailed. If you like to go through detailed assessment, it's already done for you. It is not overly academic. It's not overly watered down. It's solid. Clinical formulation, key patterns across sessions. Also, this recognizes many sessions because I've done 5 sessions with Joseph. So it's constantly remembering the previous sessions and it's coming up with different understanding to help you to be more efficient. Then what appears to be changing or repeating, because this is about 5th session. In the first session, you will not get across the board pattern as you would have got if you are working on your 3rd session. So suggested therapeutic session, this is where it's very powerful. Phase 1, and this is trauma-informed, building it. Stabilization stage, those of you who've attended our trauma-informed sessions. Phase 2, integration phase, where you should be paying attention to. Phase 3, readaptation stage. Then we have clinical insight keys. Now, this is the the key area, MindBody breakthrough psychoeducation and therapeutic framework suggestions. All our recovery models have been imputed, and with intelligence, it will suggest the right one that you could use for that particular session. It is up to you whether you want to use it or you just want to explain through it. Psychoeducation, just like as if it's me talking to you. So basically, from a brain perspective, these three key areas are likely to be involved. The amygdala, based on what you're working on that session, the prefrontal cortex, the hippocampus. Then look, it suggested the restore framework. Regular breathing, engage senses, set gentle boundaries, tune into self-compassion, organize restful routines, reflect without judgment. Encourage connection. Now, if you've invited the clients into their own client portal, which I'm going to show you in a minute, this particular psychoeducation that is more client-facing will be shown in their own portal. By the way, this is your longitudinal insight. This is important. Many people find this useful. So you start to look at repeated patterns, possible maintaining factors, signs of progress and deterioration, nervous system pattern over many sessions. This is powerful. Then this is the MBB client psychoeducation. This is the client's facing one, to use the language they understand. So you could use this to educate the clients. And they will also have this in their own client portal. If you invite them, there's a button to press to invite them to download their own portal. So just so that they don't forget. So they can just log in and practice what you've suggested for them for that week. So you could see that's that right there. Now, what is most fascinating is that they have reflection questions that the line generates based on the session information you've inputted. These reflection questions is like their homework. So they will get this. You can see that it's a send to client's portal. So they already have this in their portal. So they can go through those questions to help them in their reflection work. Very powerful. As well as them using the restore framework for the week. So that is important. That is very powerful. Then, once they've started to interact with these 5 questions as part of their homework, and they start to journal, there's a journaling space in their own client portal, automatically they will come to the therapist workspace. You see, this client, Joseph, has written this. And this helps you to navigate the next direction. They'll know also that you'll be able to see what they've written. And that is powerful. Then you can edit session details here. If you edit, by the way, at the bottom here, this is where you do much of your work. Edit session details. So if you click that, you can see the initial clinical form that Joseph filled in can be accessed right there. And you realize that if you go to the therapist notes, this is where you can now, at the end of each session, write more notes. And also you can edit session focus. Go back, you can see if you don't want to write it, you can record and transcribe voice. We just love to talk. I mean, after the session, you're tired, just press that. So record voice. So just press this little icon and start to talk. Once you talk, you save it. And he asks you, do you want to use voice transcribe as session notes? If you said yes, it's going to now populate that straight away into your session notes. And your session notes are being used by the MindBody Breakthrough trained AI capability to be able to generate the next information for you that could be a guide. Now, professional brain dump, you could record longer voice into that, and you could also use it to populate session notes or just general ideas. Edit voice recording session details, so you could actually edit the voice recording session details. Yeah, so you can edit that as well, because the session details will have gone into therapist notes. Now, after you've done all this new information, you can regenerate MBB trained AI insight. So all these things will now consider new information to be able to regenerate themselves and provide you more vital information to be able to help the client out. You are no longer alone in the client's room. That is fascinating. Now, you can return to my client tab or return to therapist dashboard. Now, if I return to the client, my client tab, right there, you can see this is the client tab. We've not been there before, because if you go here, you see my client there. If you tap that, you get back to the same place. So I will return back to Joseph, all your clients. Maybe eventually you have 20,000 clients, we just search names. I've gone for Joseph again. You can see it said invite this client to client portal. So once you press this, automatically an email is sent to Joseph's email. This is a fake email, by the way. Once you've logged in, they see this, the clients facing psychoeducation, they see the reflection questions, and they are able to make notes and be able to also track the appointments and so on and so forth. There will be appointments. Every appointment that you've booked here will be there as well. It's innovative. It's very powerful. And you can edit client right there if there's something you want to change with the initial information and so on and so forth. Then return to dashboard, therapist dashboard, and book appointment. You can actually book an appointment for the first time here. Appointment booking right there. If you go back to my client, there's booking appointment for this particular session. It now shows in your dashboard in the appointment, upcoming appointment. And once it reaches the 24 hours, it becomes today's appointment. You see it there, and so on and so forth. Recent client, Joseph again, and you can see all the clinical history there. You click one, move into the therapist workspace, and at the bottom is where you do most of the management that I've shown you already. Excellent. Now, you will not be able to see the client home. This is where the client will go to once they've logged in. This is their own dashboard. They can find a therapist. This is where some of the referrals will be coming from. Upcoming appointment will show there. They can go to my session inside there. For this particular one, session list, they've not had any sessions. If they add a session, there'll be names of all the sessions. We click each one of them, we go into the details screen. That's going to show the psychoeducation, that's going to show the questions they need to work on, and there's going to be notes there as well. With the Align Referral Partnership, this is for those who've got the subscription for Align professional membership. You may apply. It's not compulsory to be considered as referral partners. So make sure you read this before you apply. Then, by the way, if you're on the essentials, you need to be on the professionals to be able to subscribe to the Align Referral Partnership. There's no additional payment, but there's a contract. So this is where you apply for referral partnership. Then you fill in all these things. Insurance. I want to know your professional body insurance provider. I'm going to be asking you also to submit the paper evidence, because we want to make sure that there's quality control in the Aligned platform. We want to be able to trust you. And those of you who've attended our trauma-informed sessions, we're prioritizing you, trauma-informed certifications or nervous systems research certification or other emotional regulation certifications. We know you've been trained by some of the very best. So we want you to be the first to be admitted, allowed to join the referral partnership. Great, but developers are also continuing to add more features. But these are some of your basic therapist workspace that is going to make your life a lot easier. You're no longer losing lesson notes. You're no longer, you can't remember the last session. So this is the complete package that's going to make your life a lot simpler. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, let me know. Speak to you soon.